Good afternoon. This is a status report on Cool Widget Microsoft transition. We are 4 months into our project on week April 1st, 2018 to April 7th, 2018. The overall project status is green, on track, and project is on schedule. The project manager is Lisbeth Fogelman. The following elements are essential to the overall status and success of the project. Let's start with the first bullet. Scope management has been set and accepted by the stakeholders. The scope has been defined and the project team has understood the training goals and timeline to ensure the success of the Microsoft implementation. They will continue to execute the deliverables and milestones. This will keep our schedule intact and be successful with our overall status. We are continuously tracking the status of progress and the quality of each task and subtask being completed. Knowing that there is progress with the project, we want to ensure that the client is receiving a working and professional product. Monitoring the risks such as scope creep will continue to keep our project on schedule. If there are additional requests beyond scope statements that we have agreed on, it may delay the project and increase the cost, which leads us to our next bullet, cost management. We have an allocation of $200,000. If scope creep is initiated, our cost management will be at risk for over-allocating funds. The most vital element on this presentation is to ensure that communication is open. Any new information provided will be passed to the project team and clients. If any information is withheld, this will drive the project to fail. As discussed during previous presentations, training goals have been established along with the finalization of training sequence, which included writing the outline. During this period, on February 21st, training lodging has been scheduled, which includes the identification and scheduling of venues. On March 18th, the travel arrangements were reserved. Dates have been selected with air and car transportation locked on. Training dates will be provided to each office along with communicating to each student shortly. Our upcoming milestones is the completion of training to each employee. We are scheduled to have this completed on August 3rd. At this point, the students would have been notified of class dates and location. The training would have been successfully delivered and student surveys would have been handed out and completed. On this milestone date, this will conclude our project. I have provided a screen capture of the Gantt chart for our current period. As you can see, we have completed several tasks as indicated by the check marks on the left. We are also on time and on budget for our final but longest task. The path in red is our critical path of our project, which means we will not be able to finish earlier than this date. Our critical path is the delivery of training. You will also note that there have been several dependencies, which means one task is dependent on the other. All have been successfully finished with no delays. This concludes my presentation. Thank you, and I will answer any questions and take any comments that you might have.